Hi guys, it's LB with House of Color. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really big Valentine's Day haul for you guys. It's right around the corner, so I wanted to make a little video in case you guys have plans for a date night, a Valentine's, or to celebrate your singleness. Whatever the case might be, these outfits are so cute and you can definitely wear it after Valentine's Day as well. If you guys like any of the items, remember I do have a coupon code. It is XOHOC. You can use that at checkout and save yourself some money. So let's get started with the haul. And just to give you guys a little heads up, I am pretty pregnant right now. I am about 8 months, so it was very hard for me to try on the pieces. So I had a little assistance from my dear friend Hannah. She tried on all the items for me. The first item that I got was this super cute, oh actually, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm wearing right now. This is one of the items. This is a really cute non-maternity dress, but I am wearing it with my bump right now. I'm wearing it off the shoulder. It's a gray knit dress and it's very, very stretchy. Like I mentioned, I am 8 months along. It's very nice on the belly. You can see that it's super stretchy. So if you are pregnant, this dress will look a lot different on you, but without the bump. But as you can see, it's very, very cute. I love the long sleeves on this. I have a thing for long sleeve dresses, you guys. I think they're just so adorable, sophisticated, classy, and I love the gray knit, and I love wearing it off the shoulder like this. You can definitely wear it, you know, normally or off the shoulder. I think off the shoulder is very, very cute. The second item I got was this really cute, definitely Valentine's Day dress. A lot of the pieces I got was in red, of course, for Valentine's Day. And it's a cute little mini dress. It's a V cut in the front where the chest area is. And then in the back, it is crisscrossed. And it's a mini dress, and you can definitely wear this by itself, although I would highly recommend wearing this with like maybe a jean jacket draped over your shoulders. I think it'll be really cute that way. So it's not just a little red dress. And as soon as you put on like a blazer or maybe like a duster with this, I think it'll be super cute, especially if you're somewhere a little bit cooler. Definitely have a little jacket or something to go over this, and it's just super adorable. Next item I got was this really cute black crop top. It is off the shoulders. I tried this on with my bump and it just looks ridiculous. Definitely going to save this until after I have the baby. It's very cute. It's black, it's simple, it's ribbed, it's stretchy, it's adorable. Next up, I picked up on this mini dress. Again, it is off the shoulder. I have this thing for off the shoulder. I think it's just so sexy and cute when you're wearing something off the shoulder. Show a little bit of the shoulder cleavage. You don't always have to show real cleavage. You know, shoulders are very sexy too. So this dress is very, very, very short, you guys. This reminds me of something kind of from the 90s. Something like Kelly Kapowski would wear. And if you don't know who Kelly Kapowski is, clearly we're not in the same age group, because Kelly Kapowski is from Saved by the Bell, and I definitely see her in this little number. It's long sleeve, it's off the shoulder, it's way cute, and I would highly recommend, again, pairing this with maybe a jean jacket draped over your shoulders. It'll add the perfect touch to this outfit, otherwise it'll be a little bit short. Next thing I got was this super cute white top. Again, it is long sleeve, off the shoulder. I feel like everything I got this time was off the shoulder, but that's okay. I already explained to you guys my infatuation with shoulders right now. So yeah, this is a crop top, white. It does crisscross in the front right here, so it goes up a little bit when you have it on. I tried it on the other day, and you guys, like I said, I just looked a little bit ridiculous, but this top will be great for after baby. Hopefully I can get into it sooner rather than later. Can't wait to wear this top with some high-waisted jeans or a skirt. It'll be super, super cute. Next, I got this really cute white top. It is a white cropped top with longer sleeves, and then there's details on the sleeves. There's a bunch of pearls on there, and it is very low cut. So it does have some cleavage action. There's a zipper in the back so you can get in and out of the top very easily. And I think this top will be really cute with some high-waisted jeans, just to kind of balance out the whole outfit, because you have a lot of stuff going on top. You don't want too much going on the bottom. I am obsessed with this dress, you guys. It is in a houndstooth print. This is a really great dress. I am so looking forward to wearing this. It's very, very tight right now, and it doesn't have any zippers, so it's kind of hard to get in and out of. I wish there was zippers though, but I saw this dress on Black China. Can you guys believe it? And she looked amazing in it. She paired it with like a Gucci belt, and it just looked super fab. I love this dress. I love the long sleeves. I love the length of it. It does elongate my body because I am a little bit on the shorter side, and it makes me look a lot taller than I actually am. Again, can't wait to wear this dress, and on the hanger it really doesn't do the dress justice. On the body, it looks amazing. Next up is this very casual red dress. And I love that it's double layered, so you don't have to wear a bra if you don't want to. It's very, very, very form-fitting, and it's a little bit longer, so it gives you a really nice hourglass figure. This is a very simple red dress if you want to maybe like do a Valentine's thing with this, or if you have like a casual date night or something like that. I think this dress will be perfect for Valentine's Day, and it's just so adorable, and it's very, very form-fitting as well. This dress I am obsessed with. I got it in two different colors. The first is a taupe. This is a beautiful night out dress. Somewhere you can go a little bit fancier because it is longer, and it's long sleeves. The back is open, and then there's a very high slit in the front area up the leg, and it is just so classy and sexy, and you're definitely going to wow your date if you wear this dress out. Super, super cute. I got it in a taupe, and then I also picked up the red version as well. I think the red is just going to be so amazing for Valentine's Day. If you guys have somewhere fancy to go for date night, oh my gosh, this dress is going to be it. If you wear the red version and maybe have your hair in high ponytail or something like that, girl, you are going to stop the room, okay? Next dress is a beautiful white dress. This is a bandage dress. Super, super form-fitting. I got it in a size small. There's a lot going on in the front. It is a mock turtleneck right here. Also, there are gold embellishments all along the front area and also the waist area, which gives the dress a really nice detail to an otherwise casual white dress. You can definitely wear this for Valentine's Day. If you're not in the mood for anything red, this dress is also a really great dress for, say, Vegas. I can definitely see this dress out at the club. It'll be super, super cute. Also picked up on this little number. It's a very sexy, cute red dress. It is spaghetti strap, has a V-neck in the front, and then it's just very form-fitting and very sexy, very classy, very casual, yet it makes a really nice statement. And I just love the way that this dress is cut and the way that it'll sit on your body. It's going to be very, very cute. I also picked up on two pairs of jeans that I am saving for after baby. This is a really cute pair of high-waisted blue jeans. It's like a cigarette cut. I cannot wait to wear this. I love that it has like the little holes and things like that in random places, but there's not too much. It's very casual, and you can definitely go out to dinner, drinks with your girlfriends in a pair of jeans like this. I also got a second pair of jeans. It is a boyfriend cut. There's a lot more destruction going on, definitely around the knee area. It's a little bit more wide leg on the bottom right here, so you can definitely like fold it up and just wear it with a cute little white v-neck, and it'll just be super adorable. So those were all the pieces I got for this haul, you guys. I hope you enjoyed all the items that I showed you, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Ciao! Bye! Happy Valentine's Day!